Okay, brethren, I'm Brother Mordecai Kitut. As I told you that we are having a medical training camp. There are many things which we are learning in this medical training camp. Today, it is a day which is prepared for cookery. We want to know how we prepare some particular foods. As you are seeing here, we are in the kitchen. So we need to know how to prepare our foods in the kitchen, because death is coming from the kitchen. The diseases which we are having these days, they are coming from the kitchen. The way we prepare the food, it is not a good, healthy way. Hence, it has made many people to get many diseases, and they are paying a lot of money in the hospital. So now I want you to be following us the way we are going to prepare these things, so that you can get this knowledge to help you and the society where you are, because we need to be living a healthy life. Be blessed.